Hello guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. Last week, I showed you how to make a pine color jacket. As promised, this video I'll show you how to sew a mini skirt with full lining and the invisible zipper at the back. Actually, I've showed you the way to make a mini skirt before, but transformed from an old dress. I'll link that episode here and you can check it out. Okay, let's get started with mini skirt from scratch right now. I still use this twist fabric for mini skirt and also the lining. That's I better for jackets. Like always, I already made the pattern here. You can pause this video to observe clearly and more details. From top, I'll go down 4 cm to making waistband. I'm gonna making waist start 2 cm. Then, I'll reduce the waistband by 2 cm. This mini skirt got 2 flap pockets at 2 sides up front. The front and back are almost identical to each other, but I'll fold fabric in half to cut front side and cut off 2 pieces at the back side. Okay, let's cut our fabric. When I got all the pieces that I need, I'm starting with making the waist dart on front side and also back side. After finish sewing the waist dart, I'm gonna leave a distance of thread. Then tie it up to make sure it's not entrapped. Next, I'm going to make the flat pocket by put 2 panels with the right side together and sewing around except the top of it. Then, I'm gonna cut the excess fabric, turn the right side out, and stitch it on top around the flat pocket. After that, I'll fold fabric at the top 1 cm and press it to make it flat and nice, and place it on the right position at the front side and sew them together. Now, Let's connect front side and back side together on both sides. Doing that onto the lining part. For the waistband, I got front pieces and 2 pieces of the back side here. I'm gonna press a thin interfacing on each piece first, then stitching front and back side together. We need the main waistband and subsidiary waistband. Just doing that on the seam. And now connect them together at the top. Okay, it's time to sew the waistband into the skirt. I'm starting with the main waistband and main skirt. Pin them in place and sew them together. Next, I'm gonna pin the subsidiary waistband into the lining skirt and sew them together. Now, I'm going to stitch in the invisible zipper to the main skirt, starting from the top of the waistband. Now, from the end of the invisible zipper, I'll connect 2 pieces of the back side together to the bottom. Then, through the inside, grab the zipper and the lining part and stitching them in place. Moving on to the bottom of skirt, I'll leave an opening part at the lining part. Then, through it, grab the bottom of lining and main bottom skirt and sew them together. After finishing the bottom, I'm going to close the opening part by my sewing machine. Lastly, I just hand stitching the button onto the flap to finish. And here the final result. Absolutely love it. It's fitted on my hip, but really easy to sit and move. Hope you like my sewing tutorial and see you in a third day with part 3 long sleeve t-shirt. Bye!